Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you missed my last few videos, please check the description box for a link to those and also a link to my blog and my social media handles. Thank you so much for watching my last few videos, and for all those new subscribers. Funnily, there are two people who unsubscribed me. Now I have heard a lot of things on YouTube that people are getting unfollowed and all that. Well, I just have 45 subscribers as of now, which is not a big deal, but if you have done it on purpose, please don't do it. And if you genuinely like me and my YouTube channel, only then you can subscribe to my channel. I'm open to subscribing to even new YouTubers because I am new myself, although I am quite old in terms of blogging. This is my fifth year. I have my own blog. You can check the description box and go through the posts that I do. I normally post twice a week for as of now. And for YouTube, how I have scheduled the videos is I would probably make just 2 videos a month. So making YouTube videos is not easy, as in you need to really think like what is something new in the market and what is it that will attract the audience and what is something which is budget friendly and the people would be interested in listening to. Because let's admit there are thousands and thousands of beauty gurus now on YouTube. I'm not saying anything bad or anything against them or anybody, but it's very difficult. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So I've been buying my own products lately. It is not the latest what comes in the market because I'm not that person who's going to buy every single launch from the market. I don't need those products. I have more than enough. I have more than enough makeup brushes. I have more than enough pencils, eye pencil, lip pencil, all this stuff. So I'm really not crazy about makeup. But yes, if I like something and if I really want to show it on my YouTube channel, I'll definitely go and buy it and review it for all of you guys. So enough of rambling. Now let's get to the product that I'm going to talk about today. So I have been frequently visiting local market, the shops. There is one shop near my house, and I spotted these lip liners which I'm going to talk about. So I saw them at many places, and they were these huge pencils, and I was like, are they really good? So I just got one and I fell in love, and I wanted to buy more shades. The so the product I'm going to review today is the Seven Heavens, and it's called Seven Heavens Photogenic Makeup Sticks for Lip. So basically this is a lip liner, and look at the size of these pencils. Like, oh my god, they are huge, isn't it? So this is what attracted me, and the cap which it has that depicts the actual color of the lip liner. So honestly, I've not been a big fan of lip liners because they really dry out my lips. They make those fine lines look more disgusting. So I used to always stay away from lip liners. But I really like Miss Claire ones. They are more cheaper than this, and I have reviewed so many of them on my blog. Back then when I reviewed, I think around 2013, nobody knew much about Miss Claire, but now it's like everywhere. You get it on many Instagram stores, and even in your local shops you would easily find them. So these lip liners, as I told you, I bought them from my local market, and they are so huge. And you know what's the best part about these lip pencils? They just cost only and only rupees 50. Yes, I was so excited when I saw these because these pencils are really huge. Like even if you use it every day, like one pencil, if you use it every day, it will still last you for 3 months, which is quite. So coming to the product, as I said, it's rupees 50, and I checked a lot of online stores. Actually, this is only available on Flipkart. Strangely, the price mentioned there was rupees 149 and 70 rupees was the delivery charge, which is like a total rip off. I mean, you can check it out, but I would not suggest you to buy it from there. I would suggest you to check any Instagram store or maybe your local markets. I'm sure you would find these, but I would suggest don't pay more than 100 rupees for these because it's not worth it. I mean, I got it for 50 rupees, so you can think about it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to show you the shades I have. The first one is Sexy Nude, and it is number L33. Now these lip liners come with a sharpener as well on the top, and the cap closes, so there will be no mess in your bag or purse or whatever. So let me do a hand swatch now. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I have actually worn this lip liner in one of the reviews I've done about the peach blush, the Faces Glam On blush, and I had posted a pic on Instagram as well. If you're not following me there, you should, because I do post pics over there. So yeah, this is sexy nude. This color might wash out people who are on the duskier side. So, but for me, for my skin tone, this is very pretty. I mean, you can use this below your lipstick or just as a lipstick alone. The pigmentation is really good. The next lip line I'm going to show you is L11. It says Angle Pink. I think they meant was Angel Pink, but anyways, the same thing. It has a sharpener. So yeah, and it comes like that. And this is again like a beautiful pink color. It's like a dusty pink color. Can you see that? It's very beautiful, and I think it will suit most skin tones. So this is Angle Pink. That's what it mentions. It's Angle Pink. So these two colors are neutral ones, and I'm going to move towards more brighter colors. So the third one I have is called L26 Very Magenta. That's how it looks like. Gosh, this is so pretty. I think this color will suit most skin tones, but if you have fair to medium skin tone, it will look the best. Like it will really brighten your face. So I have already tried all of these lip liners and I'm seriously in love with them. Like for 50 rupees, what would you expect? These are so smooth. I mean, can you see when I swatch it? It glides on effortlessly. The last one I have is Naughty Red and it's L28. Me and my love for red lipsticks and lip liner is unending. And look at this one. So pretty. Like when I picked this up, I thought it was going to be a blue base red, but it turned out to be an orangey red. Whatever it is, it's really pretty. So that was Naughty Red. So I'll do a quick. So quickly, let me show you again. So this is Sexy Nude. This is Angle Pink, Very Magenta, and Naughty Red. So now what I'm quickly going to do is I'm going to show you the lip swatches as well, so that you have an idea how it looks on me. So yes, my friends, those were the swatches of the lip liners. As you can tell, this one is Naughty Red. This looks so pretty and so amazing. These lip liners are really soft. They glide on smoothly on the lips. They will last you for 3 to 4 hours, and if you eat, then obviously it will start fading. I did not find that it leaves a very nasty stain on the lips, which is a good thing. For 50 rupees, I can't believe these are so amazing. I will probably buy more shades and I will update it on my social media in case I don't plan to buy more. This color is really pretty, naughty red. I really loved all these lip liners, to be honest. And for 50 rupees, I mean, what else can you expect? So I would highly recommend you to go ahead and check out your local shops and look out for these lip liners. So in case if you plan to buy them, do check out your local shops and do let me know on my social media by tagging me at my Instagram handle, because I would really love to know your thoughts as well. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like my review and it helped you in some way. In case if you like my video and want to support me and my channel, do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. If there are any comments, suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. As I mentioned that if you are a new YouTuber, you want me to follow you back, please mention that in the comment section, but do not try to spam the comments part, because if you do that, it goes in the spam section and then I cannot publish it. So thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.